going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort, and China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. And in these times, we definitely need to know how the world works. Also, much love to those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, want to thank those who donated to the Cash App and Patreon. Much love. Keep it coming. And then also those who are shopping at both stores, much love, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. We see Bitcoin and Ethereum are flat, but we see altcoins receiving a little pump. Now we have CZ from Binance says expect high volatility in crypto over the next few months. And is this correct, guys? Yes, it is. Because we know the Fed is about to start tapering. And they're going to announce how they're going to do it in their meeting November 2nd and 3rd. Bitcoin dropped down to 29,000. We had Gary Gensler open the casino up with Bitcoin futures. We saw it pump, but we know what the Fed do. They like to take your money. We know this whole crypto market is going to take a hit. The same way in stocks, but we know the New World Order stocks move right back up, and the same thing with crypto. The New World Order cryptos are going to rise while the rest fall by the wayside. We have over 13,000 cryptocurrencies, guys. Remember the blueprint of big tech. I can't say that enough. Now, do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. We have volume. We have Tether. We have Tether trials, nota being new travel rule technology to combat financial crimes. And guys, we know this is a joke. We know the Fed has been manipulating the crypto market through actual stablecoins. And then also do not forget to pay attention to USDC because we know that's the main one that's going to eventually rise. And then also, guys, the Fed. Again, we know they're manipulating yields. Make sure you're putting that app up on a daily basis because over the coming weeks, those figures should be coming down. They're doing over $1.4 trillion a day, guys. That's a day just to manipulate the market. The manipulation that we see, guys, is truly amazing. And speaking of that, of course, we have Grayscale. Grayscale did buy a few $100 million. We know in the week of CME, we know they like to pump and dump. And then also we have Grayscale delivered better returns than Bitcoin futures last week. Now, guys, we had Harmony hit all-time new highs. We also saw Solana jump 35% in 7 days. Now, getting over into a little crypto news, guys, we have Bakkt shares skyrocketed after partners with MasterCard and Pfizer. And then, of course, guys, today it moves down. They did the actual halt of the stock because trading was going crazy. But, guys, as long as you're looking at investing, not just trading. Trading, of course, is short term, get that money. But we know investing, if you're looking 5, 10 years down the road, you're not worried about the up and down swings. That's normal in stocks and cryptos. Now we have BitGo will offer institutional token holders the ability to earn Bitcoin rewards through the stacked token, and that is big for institutional investors. Plus, they will have insurance, something that actual retail investors want and need. Now we have Olympus DAO developer launches protocol enabling one-to-one stablecoin swaps. Now we have BlockFi partners with Neuberger Berman to launch crypto ETFs. And lastly, guys, we have the SEC expected to head U.S. regulation of stablecoins. And guys, we're going to sit back and watch this movie. We know the Fed has destroyed the U.S. dollar. We know inflation is nothing but another tax, which is destroying the U.S. dollar. But we know what this is all for. The rise of China, the rise of the dragon, and the end of the dollar, the end of America, the Babylon. Get your friends and family educated, because there will be a big distraction. Do not fall for the movie. Stay in reality, because I know when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Cryptoteacher stock channel, Cryptoteacher stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, got that home stocks, the C-word, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know, I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.